Welcome back, guys. This is my maintenance vlog and we're just gonna jump right into it today. So to start off wash day, we're going to be using the Melanin Hair Care Black Soap Clarifying Shampoo. This is one of my favorite shampoos and I just make sure to apply it completely all over my scalp. I make sure to cover all bases, especially my hairline where I get the most buildup, before giving it a little bit of a massage just to get it to suds up. Now I don't apply this to my actual hair because it is a clarifying shampoo, so it can be very drying, guys, so just be careful with that. And then after, I will go in with my little favorite massage tool, my scalp massager, to just make sure that I rub my scalp evenly, get all the dirt, to lift up any buildup or product that might be on my scalp. I get it to ease up. If you do have a lot of hair like me, sometimes it can be difficult to reach all of your scalp, every inch of your scalp. I always end up leaving out some area or not rubbing it properly to get it fully clean. So this honestly is the key to the perfect wash day. I do have a hair appointment later, so I don't want to have any oil or buildup on my scalp left over.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've given the leg on you, baby, you don't care. Not trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Since a little change, let me a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me to the rise, but it will bring up the wall. I leave my heart on feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. But there's always inside, good living in my mind. Only on my fears, my
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna get ready to do a little bit of self-care. Just come out the shower and freshen up because it's so hot here in Barbados, like I'm actually dying. So I'm just gonna freshen up my hair, freshen up my skin, and show you guys the products that I have been using recently, because I tend to change them when outside gets a little bit hotter, and right now it's really hot, so I tend to like lighten up on my moisturizers and stuff like that. Obviously add some sunscreen, but that's all dependent on like if I'm going out that day or if I'm just gonna be around the house. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna start out with my Niaminocide cleansing jelly. Guys, I love this stuff. Okay, so the thing about this is I use this only once or twice a week because my skin is so sensitive. So because I've been using more natural skincare on my face for so long, when I then try to use stuff with chemicals in it, my skin gets really sensitive. So I tend to stick to this just like once or twice a week, depending on like if I wore makeup or how hot it is and how oily my skin is, or if I feel really clogged. And right now I'm okay, like my skin generally is fine. Yeah, we're gonna be using this today. It's so nice, and you don't need to use that much. Like I just use 1 pump of this, nothing more, and 1 really tiny pump, and that's enough for your entire face. Going in with my cute ultra facial cream. I love this cream for the summer because it's so light but so moisturizing, so you don't feel like clogged with it. I'm gonna show you guys my concoction because I have a really nice concoction that I use with this just to give your skin like an extra boost. And everything here is really lightweight because obviously like I'm in a very hot country. I'm in the Caribbean, it's really hot here, so I am very conscious not to use stuff that is gonna clog my pores or make my skin just feel very, very heavy. I haven't got a lot left. I literally have nothing left in there. I need to buy a new one. So yeah, and you don't need a lot because we're gonna add some of the other stuff, so I use just about that much. I just pop it in my hand, and then we're gonna actually add the hyaluronic acid with B5. Now the thing about this, guys, like I really love this, but I don't like it on its own. So if I use it just on its own as serum, I don't know, I just don't feel like it does anything for my skin. Like my skin literally feels the same. Like I wouldn't probably have any difference if I didn't use it from if I used it. But I find that when I use it in the summertime in conjunction with my moisturizer, it's actually quite good. It gives my moisturizer a little bit of a boost. It obviously spreads further so you can use less moisturizer, and I absolutely love it. And I add just about that much, not too much. Yeah, and I just like literally mix them up together, and then I just smother it all over my face. And it feels so cooling as well. It's just so nice. And you see how much like that spread, and my hand is still full of product. Like you literally don't need enough. And just don't forget to do your neck, guys. Please do not forget to do your neck. Into my face, I do around my eye. And yeah, that's literally how it looks. Really nice, really moisturized, super moisturized and light. Like my face and my pores do not feel like they're screaming out for help. They feel amazing. So yeah, guys. That's my little skincare routine in the daytime, nothing much for the summer. If I was gonna be going out, I would literally just pop sunscreen on top of this and that's it. Nothing more, because sunscreen can like, make you feel quite heavy depending on the type that you use. At nighttime, then I would go with all the extra bits, like the eye cream, blah, 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 all that extra stuff. But again, as I said, it depends on what I'm doing that day, if I'm gonna be going into air conditioning, if I'm gonna be just around the house, that kind of thing. Also, so when I'm done that, then I just grab my little lip balm. So this is a really basic lip balm. Like this is nothing like too out there, too extra. It's just my regular Neil's Yard lip balm. And I love this stuff. From the time I discovered it, like this is the best lip balm that I've tried in all the lip balms that I've tried. If you've really got like chapped lips, especially in the winter time, this is literally the best thing for your lips. It takes off all that dry skin and it just prevents you from getting any chapped lips, any dry lips, anything at all. During the winter time, it's so good. So, and I use it like all the time, so I use it in summertime as well. Yeah, that's it. Moisturized.
can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, slow child. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be